If you use batteries, you're going to want to hear this. I just discovered a dead simple trick that brings any battery back to life again. It's simple and quick and really works. And once you learn this, you'll pretty much never have to buy batteries again. With this quick and easy method, you can have nearly unlimited amounts of battery power, for nearly no cost. Enough to even live off-grid and power all of your devices and electronics. This unconventional method is shaking the battery industry to its core. Over 19,000 people are already using this simple method, bringing nearly any type of battery back to life again, while saving hundreds of dollars on new batteries. So, if you are at all interested in having unlimited battery power, living off-grid, or just saving money, then stop what you're doing and click the Learn More button below to watch a free special video that will show you this little-known battery reconditioning method. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on replacement batteries for your car, laptop, cell phone, electronics and other devices, while with this simple method you never have to buy new batteries ever again. The big battery companies can't stand the idea of this newly discovered method. It turns their profits into dust, and they are attempting to take this controversial video down. So tap the Learn More button below before it's too late, and see exactly how you can start using this method at home, right now.